Hi dear students, hope you are fine. Welcome to our maths class. The previous class we discussed about angles, the basic types of angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Acute angle 90 less than degree, 90 degree less than acute angle, and exactly 90 degree right angle, more than 90 degree obtuse angle but less than 180 degree. Now we are going to discuss circle division. Circle division. The measure of circle is 360 degree. The measure of circle is 360 degree. A circle, measure of circle 360 degree. Okay, got it? And our circle 360 degree divided by 2, 180 degree. Our circle of 180 degree. 180 degree plus 180 degree, 360 degree. Okay, and next this circle equal 4 part. This part is 90 degree and this part 90 degree, and 90 degree plus 90 degree is 180 degree. Okay, and next the circle divided this part 90 degree and this part 90 degree. The bottom of the circle 90 degree plus 90 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. The measure of the circle is 360 degree. The measure of the circle is 360 degree. I will show the chart. Listen here. Circle division. An angle of 1 degree is got by dividing a circle in 360 equal parts. 360 equal parts. The whole circle 360 degree. A circle into 4 equal parts. 1 parts, 2, 3, 4. A circle into 4 equal parts. How much is each angle in degree? 90 degree. 360 divided by 4, 90 degree. Got it? Take your notebook, write down in this activity circle division. Circle division. Draw the circle and divide 4 part 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. 4 90 degrees are 360 degree. Are you finished? Okay, next activity. Activity number 1. 360 divided by 8. 360 divided by 8, 45 degree. And second activity, 360 divided by 5. Then we get 72 degree. Fill in the 72 degree. And 360 divided 8 and 45 degree as the 45 degree. And 360 divided by 5, 72 degree. Write in your notebook. And next, question number 3. Draw angles of 72 degree at the center of a circle. At the center of a circle. Question number 3. Draw an angle of 72 degree at the center of a circle. Next question number 4. A circle into 5 equal parts. What is the name of this figure? A circle into 5 equal parts. What is the name of this figure? Okay. May I clean the board? -72 Okay, we have divided a circle into 4 equal parts using the set square. The corner using the set square is a set square, pair of set square, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and another set square 45 degree and 90 degree. Use the set square, divide the circle, and this circle 360 divided into 5. 360 divided 5 is equal to 72 degree. The center of the circle, the midpoint of the protractor, zero degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree, 72 degree, 70 degree, 71, 72 and point 72 degree. The set square, line, draw the line and 72 degree. Then we get degree 72 degree, and measure the midpoint of the protractor and 70 and 72 degree. And next draw midpoint of the protractor in this line and measure 70, 72. Draw a line and measure the midpoint of the protractor, measuring the outer scale number 70 and 72. All sides are 72 degree and 72 degree and 72 degree. All sides are 72 degree, and then we get a line draw a line Yes, then we get a figure pentagon. The name of pentagon. What is the name of this figure? Pentagon. All sides, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are figure known as pentagon. It is 72 degree. All sides are 72 degree. 360 divided by 5 is equal to 72 degree. 72 degree. Got it? Do you understood? Any doubt? No. Are you finished? Next activity, fractional part. Next activity, fractional part. Fractional part. Draw a circle and mark the fractional parts given below. Color them also and color the part. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. How can make the color? How to make the color of the circle? 3 by 8. 360 into 3 divided by 8. 135 degree. And 135 degree. We get 135 degree. 8 parts of the circle and 3 parts colored. Or other method, 360 into 3 divided by 8. 135 degree. And next 4 by 9. 4 by 9. 360 into 4 by 9. 160 degree. 160 degree. And 5 by 24. 360 into 5 by 24. Then we get degree 75 degree. Write your notebook. The next activity, activity 3, fractional parts. Fractional part. 8 by 3 by 8, 2 by 5, 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 12, 5 by 24. 360 into 3 divided by 8, 135 and 135 degree. 360 into 4 divided by 9, 160 degree. 360 into 5 divided by 24, then we get the degree 75 degree. Okay. Are you finished? Okay. Next activity, angles in a clock. Angles in a clock. Angles in a clock. The hands of clock make different angle. The hands of clock make different angle and different time. Different time. The hour hand and minute hand of make different angle. Listen here. I show the clock. Different angle. The minute hand and hour hand to make different angle. This angle is 90 degree. It is right angle. Right angle. And then we get acute angle less than 90 degree angle. And it is obtuse angle. And the obtuse angle. Once more repeat. And right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. Do you identify the angles in clock? Do you identify? Okay. Do you understood? I hope you all understand today's class. All students read and study, do the activities. Thank you.